What happens when you give one vehicle 6 wheels, bulletproof armor, and 1,300 horsepower and pit it against a $1.5 million carbon fiber desert weapon that hits 60 in just 3.4 seconds? This isn't a car review, this is a battlefield. Rezvani Hercules versus Brabus 900 Crawler. Only one can survive. Let's start with the design and presence of both beasts. Rezvani Hercules 6x6. Picture a Humvee on steroids, then multiply the aggression by 6 wheels. The Hercules is built on a heavy-duty chassis wrapped in military-grade Kevlar armor. The front grille is menacing, the LED light bars give it a dystopian edge, and the stance? Absolutely monstrous. With an extended truck bed, reinforced bumpers, and an optional roof-mounted tactical spotlight, this truck screams ready for war. And here's the kicker. It comes with a security package that includes a smokescreen system, magnetic deadbolts, and even electrified door handles. Now shift gears. The Brabus 900 Crawler isn't just a G-Wagon upgrade, it's a full-blown hyper off-roader. The first thing you'll notice? No doors, no windshield, just a carbon fiber exoskeleton and a red tubular frame that looks straight out of Mad Max. It rides on 40-inch off-road tires with portal axles for absurd ground clearance. The lightweight body is crafted for speed and maneuverability, but still turns heads like a UFO landing in the desert. Everything about it is precision-built, from the carbon hood vents to the laser-cut roof-mounted LED array. Now by design and presence. Rezvani Hercules is a rolling fortress, built to intimidate and survive anything short of an airstrike. The Brabus 900 Crawler, on the other hand, is a radical, high-end performance machine designed to dominate off-road trails with flair. If Batman drove a truck, it'd be the Hercules. If Iron Man went dune racing, he'd be in the Crawler. Let's talk about powertrain and performance. Rezvani Hercules 6x6. Redistribution beneath its armored exterior lies an absolute beast. A supercharged 7-liter V8 that cranks out a jaw-dropping 1,300 horsepower. That's more power than a Lamborghini Revuelto in a 6-wheeled armored truck. It's a 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, unheard of for something this size. But this isn't just about speed. With on-demand 6-wheel drive, locking differentials, and an off-road suspension system, it can climb rocks, cross rivers, and charge through sand like a war elephant. The 8-speed automatic transmission is tuned for both urban prowling and desert domination. Bottom line, it doesn't just go fast, it conquers everything in its path. Meanwhile, the Brabus 900 Crawler brings German engineering to the battlefield. It's equipped with a 4.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8, delivering 900 horsepower and a monstrous speed-shift automatic gearbox delivers lightning-fast shifts, giving the Crawler razor-sharp responsiveness on dunes or dirt. And Amplithing is race-bred, with motorsport-level tuning and cooling systems designed for extreme heat and punishment. And while the Rezvani feels like a war machine, the Brabus feels like an off-road supercar. If you want raw, nuclear-grade muscle, the Hercules delivers it in spades. But if you're after elite German engineering and insane power-to-weight precision, the Crawler is a rolling adrenaline factory. Rezvani is about dominance. Brabus is about velocity. Pick your poison. Let's discuss armor and survival tech of both vehicles. Rezvani Hercules 6x6. The Hercules doesn't just look ready for the apocalypse, it's built for it. Its body is wrapped in military-grade bulletproof armor, including ballistic glass rated to withstand high-caliber rounds. The underbody is reinforced with explosion-resistant plating designed to deflect blasts from grenades or IEDs. You get run-flat military tires, so even if you're under fire, this beast keeps moving. But Rezvani goes even further with its military edition package. Electrified door handles to shock intruders, magnetic deadbolts to seal every entry point, smoke screen system that can obscure the vehicle while escaping, gas masks, intercom system, first aid kits, and even a fire thermal camera system. It's like a private mobile fortress. Whether it's civil unrest, natural disasters, or end-of-days chaos, this thing is your armored bunker on wheels. The Brabus 900 crawler isn't technically armored, and that's by design. It's a hyper off-roader, not a bulletproof tank. Its rugged red tubular steel frame offers extreme rollover protection and crash resistance. The fiber body panels are lightweight yet tough, helping keep the vehicle agile on the most brutal terrain. The open mouth, however, sacrifices protection for performance. You're not safe from bullets, but you're dominating the dunes with unmatched speed and control. It's more about aggression through agility, not defense through armor. When it comes to full-spectrum protection, Rezvani Hercules dominates, no contest. It's one of the few vehicles civilians can buy that could withstand actual combat scenarios. Brabus is built to race, Rezvani is built to survive. Let's talk about interior and comfort. Rezvani Hercules 6x6. Don't let the militarized exterior fool you. The inside of the Hercules is pure luxury meets command center. You get handcrafted leather-trimmed seating for up to 7 passengers, with diamond stitching, contrast piping, and multi-zone climate control for that executive feel. At the driver's seat, you're greeted with a fully digital instrument cluster, a tactical-grade heads-up display, and a massive infotainment screen loaded with navigation, thermal vision feed, and tactical system toggles. Optional upgrades include 360-degree surveillance cameras, an intercom system, and touchscreen control panels for armor settings and off-road configurations. The ceiling even offers ambient lighting and ballistic paneling, giving off a vibe that feels half private jet, half presidential convoy. On the other hand, inside the Brabus, it's all about performance and visual drama. The cabin features 4 carbon fiber racing seats, each wrapped in red quilted leather with 6-point racing harnesses. You're not so much sitting as you are being strapped into a rocket on wheels. The digital cockpit delivers real-time performance telemetry, off-road angles, torque distribution, and more, designed for serious off-roading, not daily driving. The tubular frame is fully exposed, giving it a race-bred utilitarian feel. No frills, no screens, just carbon, leather, and brute control. And remember, no windows, no doors, no soundproofing. Wind, dust, and noise are part of the experience. It's raw, immersive, and thrilling, but definitely not for the faint of heart. If you want to cruise in comfort while preparing for doomsday, the Hercules offers armored luxury on another level. But if your idea of comfort is feeling every vibration of the earth beneath you, the Brabus delivers an adrenaline-packed cockpit you'll never forget. Hercules is a fortress with finesse.
Crawler is a cockpit built for carnage.
2 machines, 2 philosophies, 1 epic showdown. But the war of insane vehicles doesn't end here. If you thought this was wild, wait till you see the 5 electric hypercars that will blow your mind. Tap that next video. Trust me, you've never seen cars like these. And don't forget, subscribe if you want more machines that break every rule.